Hi, I'm Elise for Hamilton Beach. Our Eclectrics stand mixer fuses all-metal durability with over a century of mixing innovation. Planetary mixing action spins the mixing head as it rotates completely inside the bowl, removing the need to stop and scrape the sides. This revolutionary action provides superior mixing compared to traditional 2-beater stand mixers. A powerful 400-watt motor handles everything from simple mixing to the thickest cookie dough, and it can also whip cream in no time. 12 settings give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access, or you can use the pouring shield to add ingredients. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. The non-stick flat beater, dough hook, whisk, and the stainless steel 4.5 quart mixing bowl are all dishwasher safe for fast cleanup. This mixer is available in a variety of colors, so you can pick one that suits your personal style. This mixer combines the built-to-last metal construction of the past with the look of today to bring lasting quality and style to your kitchen. Now that's good thinking.